Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of your money plant in summer. Money plants truly flourish in the warmer months, enjoying bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. It's crucial to water them thoroughly when the top 1 or 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. Always ensure your pot has excellent drainage to prevent any waterlogging, which can harm the roots. For optimal growth, place your money plant where it receives bright, indirect sunlight. Direct afternoon sun can be too intense, causing the leaves to burn and develop unsightly brown spots. To boost humidity, especially on hot days, you can mist the leaves with water a few times a week or place the pot on a tray filled with pebbles and water. During the active growing season, which is typically summer, feed your money plant every 2 to 4 weeks. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, but remember to dilute it to half the recommended strength to avoid overfertilization. Regular pruning is also beneficial. It encourages new growth, helps maintain a desirable shape, and keeps your plant looking vibrant and full. Keep an eye out for common pests such as mealybugs or spider mites, especially on the undersides of leaves. If you spot any, treat them immediately with a gentle insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. As your plant grows, it will eventually need more space. Consider repotting it every 1 to 2 years into a pot that is just one size larger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.